What's going on, everybody? It's Michael Root, and if you don't know who I am, my name is Michael Root, the CEO and founder of Wolf Capital. I'm helping 1,000 entrepreneurs build their wildly and successful online businesses in 2019 and scale that business to over $10,000 a month. Okay, guys, so you might be wondering, okay, I've been trying to make money, I've been trying to follow all these gurus, but no one's really helped me. They're giving me this bullshit information I can't really follow, and I haven't had any traction. Well, let me tell you why, guys. Listen to this right here. You guys are trying to make money, right? Money. We all need money. Right? Money. You guys want to make money. This is the problem, guys. You guys are being manipulated by the government and by all these other people about making money. You guys think if you work hard, right? Work hard, hard work. Hard work equals money. You guys think hard work equals money. Well, sure, if you want to be broke and middle class, then go ahead and work hard for your money for the rest of your life. Because if you're working for money and that's all you're working for, you're going to continue to be broke and you're going to continue to be confused. Okay? Money is nothing. Money is just a placeholder for value. Okay? Money, all money is paper. Okay? So it's money, all money is just what we value it as. If me and you and the whole nation don't believe that the US dollar, aka money, is worth anything, then it's not worth anything, okay? The only reason a $100 bill is worth $100 is because we value that. We perceive the value of this piece of paper, okay? For instance, here's a $20 bill, okay? The only reason this is worth anything is because the American people in the world think it's worth something. Okay, in reality, all this is a piece of paper. That's all it is a piece of paper. And if we deem it as a piece of paper, then that's all it is. All our USD and all our currency becomes useless. Okay? So now you might be asking, okay, well, I'm trying to make money, but now you just told me money is not even what I want. Money is just a piece of paper. And then you told me that hard work, which is what my parents and what my school teachers and what everybody else around me has told me, oh, all you gotta do is work hard to make money. Now you're telling me that hard work won't give me any money? Well, it won't. Hard work can only get you so much money. You know, I have a friend. He's done a lot of hard jobs: asphalt, painting, handyman, and he always says to me, a hard day's work always makes me feel good. It always makes me feel fulfilled, like I did a good job. And I look at him, and every time he says it, I think, all a hard day of work does to me is make me pissed off and make me feel like a little fucking peon, because I've worked hard all day. I've worked my ass off all day, and the only thing I've gotten paid for that is, what, 50 bucks, 60 bucks, 100 bucks, 150 bucks? I just worked my fucking ass off. I'm sweating, I'm doing hard work, and all I have for that to show is a paycheck that I'm going to get paid 2 weeks from now? Fuck that. That makes me pissed off. Hard work doesn't make me feel good. It makes me pissed off. You know what makes me feel good? And you know what makes me not only feel good, but get a huge amount of money in return? I'll tell you what makes me feel good. When I provide value. When I provide value to people, that makes me not only feel good, but it brings me in several $1,000s a month, okay? I'm not working hard for my money. I'm not saying, oh, I need to make money. I need to go make money. Okay, that is the wrong mindset to have. This is what every beginning entrepreneur, I wish I knew this when I started my entrepreneur career 5 years ago when I was first scaling my first business. I wish I knew that people that work for money stay poor. People that work hard for their money are poor or middle class, okay? If you want to be wealthy, if you want to be a business owner, if you want to be an entrepreneur, you must understand that the harder you work for money, the poorer you will be. And the more value you provide equals the richer you will be. Okay? So guys, stop working hard for money, because if you work hard for money, you're just going to be going to your job thinking about nothing but money. Okay? I recommend you work for free, because if you work for free, you're not brainwashed by this piece of paper that we call money that's worth nothing. Okay? When you go to job, you're programmed to work by the hour, right? Why do you think the companies pay you by the hour? Listen, this is an interesting fact. Why do you think companies want to pay you by the hour and not just pay you a set amount every week? Why do you think you go into a business and they say, okay, your pay is $15 an hour? They don't say, oh, you're going to get paid $600 a week. They say $15 an hour. They always tell you how much you're going to get paid by the hour. Why do you think that is? It's because they want you thinking every hour about every dollar that you're making. They don't want you to take your mind off the amount of money that you're making every hour. Because as long as you're thinking about how much money you're making every single hour that you're working, then you're not going to think about anything else. In fact, the only thing that you're going to think about other than the money per hour that you're making is, oh, when's my next break because I fucking hate my job? Oh, when's lunch break because I hate my fucking job? Oh, when's fucking Friday and Saturday gonna come around because I hate my fucking job and I can't wait to go out and go party because I hate my miserable job. Entrepreneurs, people like me, people that are actually doing what we want to do, businesses, you're doing what you're passionate about, I don't look forward to the weekend. I hate the weekend because nobody does business on the weekend. I want to do business and I want to help people 24/7 because I love what I do, and that's the first step you guys have to understand. If you want to make millions of dollars, if you want to make billions of dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars, $100,000 a year, you must do what you love if you don't want to be miserable making that money. And you must, on top of everything, provide value, okay? Once you start providing value to other people's lives, you're going to notice your life go up drastically, okay? You help 10 people, your life's going to go up 10 times. You help 1 million people, your life's going to go up 1 million times. Not only how you feel, but your bank account, okay? When I was working for money, yeah, I could scale a business to $8,000 a month. But now as I help more people, I began to build communities, build my networks of people. I was able to raise $1.1 million in less than 60 days because I was providing people with opportunities that they can make money on. $1.1 million raised in less than 60 days. Okay, guys? So look, you're a beginning entrepreneur, you're starting your business, or you've been an entrepreneur and you haven't made any money or haven't made as much money as you want. Stop thinking about money. It's not about the money. Money is just a system that calculates how much we're worth for trade, for buying things. It's just a currency, okay? You don't want to just have money. You want to provide people with value, okay? The more lives you impact, the more money that's going to come into your account and the more freedom. All money is freedom, okay? And how do you want to get freedom? Okay, guys? You don't want to end up with a bunch of this paper. All you have is paper, okay? Who cares about money? Provide value, okay? And money, if you provide value, money will come in such large amounts to your account, you won't worry about money. You'll just worry about helping the next person. That's what it's about. How can I help the next person and provide that person value? And once you do that, that person will take their wallet out and hand over their wallet and say, how much would you like to get paid? Okay, guys? How much would you like to get paid? Okay? So lesson for today, provide value. Don't work for money. Do not work for money. Okay, guys? My name is Michael Root. I'm Head Wolf. And I'm just starting my YouTube brand out, so if you found this vid helpful, then go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you want us to really support my success, click that link in the bio and buy my first book I've ever written, published, and authored. Check it out on Amazon, guys. Links in the bio. Thanks so much.